Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you on how to download YouTube Vanced. So, I'm going to delete these 3 apps because I'm going to teach you on how to download YouTube Vanced. So, I'm deleting that. Delete. 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 And it's done. So, first, open your Wi-Fi or data. So I'm only using data, so I open that. Then go to Google or Chrome. Search Vanced app. Then click the first that show. Click that. You can see Vanced Manager version 2.6.0. So tap that. It's downloading files. So Manager app, open that. Then install that. Install. Then click open. You can see let's get started. Click that. Select your apps. So you can select a music Vanced, but I just want YouTube Vanced, so I don't click that. Then click this button. The question is your device rooted? I don't think so, so I'm going to click this, non-root. Then welcome. Make sure that you download the app from vancedapp.com, the Van Discord server or the. So click close. So guys, in here, click Vanced Micro G and click that download button. Download this. Just wait that. Click settings if it showed. Click allow unknown apps to be installed. Then back, then install. So guys, in here, click install. Then I think it's downloaded. So guys, click the download button under the YouTube Vanced. I'm going to choose light black. Then install. Just wait, then click install. Just wait, it takes a minute, so just wait. And it's done. So go to YouTube Vanced. Then yan. It's have an account. It doesn't have an account, it's a recommendation. So click this button in here. Then sign in. Click Huawei. So just wait in that. It's going to take a few minutes. Then I'm going to sign in. Then yan. Click next. Then enter your password. Then click I agree. So it's done. Now you can watch my video. Then if you want a settings, click that. Click your picture in that. Then click settings. Click general. I want to have a dark theme, so I'm going to click this. That. Just if you want that, then click that. Then it's done. Now you can watch in no ads and free.
Hey guys, Jessica here.
Okay.
As you guys all know, I've been living in the Philippines for...
And here it goes. Thank you. Leave a subscribe.